Hello everyone, today is the last growing nature session of the year. We've done a whole year of growing in Clare Community Primary School. Look at how well everything is doing in here. It's absolutely thriving. And the forest garden behind me that we created in March is also doing absolutely incredibly. Beautiful to see the growth of the children, the growth of the plants, the growth of the community through the growing. It's been absolutely incredible. So thank you to everyone who has supported the growing here. Thank you to the Vegan Organic Network and to Vine, two charities who funded the polytunnel. They funded all of the supplies for the Growing Nature Club, and they funded part of the forest garden as well. So thank you to them. Thank you to the local community in Clare who also fundraised for the forest garden creation. It's been epic, and we're looking forward to doing a lot more next year.